Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the Nice Taskbar app is installed and running, then pick the apps you use most. Once done, pin 3 to 8 favorites to keep the bar uncluttered and fast. Make sure to set position, bottom or side, so it matches your workflow. Try auto hide if you want more screen space. These actions give immediate gains, faster launching, and clearer focus. Now move on to layout tuning and grouping, which shapes how you glide through tasks all day. Once your essentials are pinned, customize layout and groups to reduce friction. You should create separate groups, work, comms, media, and assign icons accordingly, then adjust icon size and spacing so items fit without crowding. Make labels visible only where you need clarity. Hidden labels save space. Next, assign hotkeys or gestures to open groups quickly. This reduces mouse travel and speed switching. Keep experimenting until launching an app takes 1 or 2 actions, not a hunt across windows. To finish, save layout presets and back up your configuration so changes are reversible. This prevents losing tweaks later. Then test responsiveness across displays and different DPI settings to ensure icons remain legible and tappable. If something feels slow, reduce animations or lower icon density. That often restores snappy performance. One key troubleshooting tip: if icons disappear or the bar glitches, restart the Nice Taskbar process and reload your saved preset. This usually fixes corrupt state without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.